come around, build you up in a tree.
Thousand years later.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching this far, and I hope you watch our other videos so that you can enjoy yourself watching those videos. So this is my intro that I'm making. Oh my gosh, I did not make an intro for this video. I just realized that. I was like, wait, I did not make an intro, but I'm making it now, and I just want to review this from IKEA. It's a big bottle, and I just want to review it. It's non-alcoholic. It's very nice for when you have guests who don't like to drink or who don't drink. Let me try it. I got my little glass here. I'll just have this much. It smells really nice. It smells like fruit, like apple. Definitely apple. Let me try it. It's very refreshing. It's sweet. It's yummy. It's crisp. Nice. All along, I just realized that I was not recording. Can you imagine? Anyway, outfit check. I'm wearing this top is from Shein. It comes as a two-piece set. I probably will post a picture around about here of the two-piece set when I'm wearing it, how it looks like. I have these jeans are from Shein. They're very comfortable jeans. And my shoes, very dirty because they're white. Oh my gosh, they've been through hell and back, I am telling you. So these shoes are from Steve Madden. They're the Hermes dupes, and my regular bag. So I'm going on a number of errands today, and I'm taking you guys with me. So we're gonna go thrift shopping and hopefully find some amazing things that we can get, which will be great.
2,000 years later.
Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you stay. I know you're gonna stay. And we are a growing family and a happy family, so stick around and for vlogs, lifestyle content, what else, beauty content, and definitely fashion content. So I am going to run some errands and I'm definitely taking you guys with me. Like, it's been 2,000 years later. I can't believe it. Like, where have I been? Well, I've been having some breakouts in my skin, so I wouldn't say I was insecure to be in front of the camera, but definitely I wasn't feeling myself, so my skin was breaking out, and I was just at home, not doing a lot of things, so yeah. That's it, guys. So outfit check. Let me give you an outfit check. Wearing this pink it's not a t-shirt. I'm wearing this pink shirt from Shein. My bodysuit is from Zara. Leggings are from Costco, and my regular Crocs with the Shein Diamantes going on the shoe. So that's what I'm wearing, and I'm going on my errands, and yeah. So we need to go to the gym. See if I can enroll in the gym. What else do we need to do? So the errands that we're doing today is going to the gym to enroll into the gym. I think it's about time. Like, my weight is just going up and up and up and up. It's crazy. Like, I haven't gone to the gym in a year and a half, and I've just gained mad weight. And I'm just thinking to myself that, you know what, Tina, you have to do something. You have to take the law into your own hands. So I'm thinking about doing that. I'm gonna go do my nails. I just want to feel fresh. You know, I'm gonna do something longer, probably French manicure with just a beautiful French almond shaped manicure. Hopefully it comes the way I envisioned it. And my toes definitely, and what else? And probably go to the car wash. I'll see how I feel. And yeah, so stick with me, guys. Let's go together.
This one I bet you me, I no get tired. Dada cover my face, calling me Big demand way to be what's it going? Chihuahua, all dependent. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? Chihuahua, all dependent. They get them. make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley.
I'm back on my Zoom, I'm back on my Zoom, I'm back on my Zoom. I'm back at the gym, guys. I'm having a great time at the gym. I did the elliptical for 20 minutes. Wow. I was so tired after 20 minutes on the elliptical. I don't know. I have no energy whatsoever. But we are gonna improve, and that's good. So, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, comment, do everything, share. You know, people need to get motivated to go to the gym. It's not just, I'm not doing this just for me, but I'm doing it for other people. Like, I'm a big advocate for being healthy, working out. It's just that I fell off the bandwagon, so that's it. But I am back on my Zoom, and guys, I'm just so happy that you are doing this journey with me. You walking this journey with me, and I'm so happy that I'm not alone, and I can document this and hold me accountable. If I don't work out, I don't go to the gym, I don't do anything. So I'm gonna, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna weigh myself tomorrow, starting weights, and see how I can lose at least 20 pounds in 2 months. Let me see how that goes, because none of my clothes fit. Like, I know I'm not the only person who's having this problem where none of your clothes fit. Like, clothes that used to look so good on you don't fit. And I love fashion. I can't keep on buying new clothes because I'm gaining weight. No, it doesn't work like that. I have to work on my weight to maintain my weight and lose weight to a desirable point. And wear the clothes in my wardrobe. Like, what am I gonna do with them? Give them away? I keep giving away clothes because I can't fit them anymore. But that's not good. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, let me just go inside, make myself some breakfast. I don't know, it's 1:18 right now p.m. I didn't have breakfast. All I had was coffee. I wasn't hungry, so I'm gonna have a bowl of cereal, but I'm gonna have like granola with the low fat yogurt. Well, let me be honest, I'm gonna have granola and yogurt. The yogurt that I'm using is the yogurt that I've had in my fridge. Like, we buy in bulk, I normally go to Costco and stuff like that. So we buy in bulk, and I want to finish that yogurt. I don't want to throw it away just because it's not low fat. But I think it's called Activia, if I'm not sure. But it's good yogurt. I'm going to try it out with the granola, see if I like it, and yes!
You're talking the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you.
A few moments later.
Guys, welcome again to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. We are a small but growing family, and I'm so happy to have you here. I just want to show you guys with the things that I bought in a couple of days. This is a new day. It's the last day of the vlog, and I just want to show you what I bought, and I'm very serious about my workouts. So starting off, I know that was random, but I was saying that because I bought meal prep containers. So these are meal prep containers that I bought from Burlington. They were $3.99 and they have 7. I thought they were cute, different, not just the ordinary black ones, but a cute color, so I got it. Second thing from Burlington I got was cotton rounds to put, like, I don't really use that to get rid of my makeup. I normally use it to put like toners, etc. Right now I'm using the ordinary toner, and I think for the price it's pretty good. Yeah, that's what I use on my face. Right now my face is acting up, but I normally use that one on my face. From Burlington I also got a top for the fall. It's got gold buttons, very nice, very simple. I might wear it to church. I didn't know what I was gonna wear to church because I'm going to church tomorrow. So I was just thinking to myself, like, what am I gonna wear? So I think I might just wear that to church. Okay. And for the fall as well, I got this jumper, or you call it a cardigan. It's got 2 little holes with you can insert like a long tubed button. Very nice, very cutesy, but it's for fall. And yeah, from Walmart I got myself this Avia tracksuit set. So I got it in this bonish color. Very nice. I love the feel of it. I got in a size large. I wasn't sure. I didn't want to go to the change rooms. But yeah, comes with the pants. Pants cinches the waist, as you can see, and then at the back they look like this. So I got the pants mainly to go to the gym with the pants because I can't fit anything, girl. I can't fit anything anymore, so I need loose fitting clothes that I can feel comfortable in. From Costco I bought these pajamas with the zebras. I thought it was really cute. It's from Room Service. I got it in a size large. They're long pants, long top, and I thought it was very nice, so I got it. That's for the winter and the fall. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. You've reached the end of the vlog, and stay tuned for a new vlog. Ooh.